Hi, how are you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to tell you about a AI tool which is used to tell how many AI tools are available till date, right? So here on my screen you can see it is Futurepedia a.io, right? You heard it right, Futurepedia.io. So how you can open this? So first of all, come to your Google and just type Futurepedia, right? You will see this and you will going to open this, right? It will redirect it to this same page, right? Now here you can see that if you will scroll down a bit just below this search bar, right? So here you can see that you have the option to select which AI tool you want. You want the AI tool for the summarizer, or you need it for text to image, text to speech, text to video, transcriber, translator, right? And if you'll click on this arrow button, forward button, so here you can see that you can also see for the traveling, video editing, video enhancer, video generators, website builder, and then writing generators, 3D AI chatbots, and there are many more things, right? So here you can see that. And also you can sort it by the verified, the new, or the popular one, right? And here is the option for view all categories, right? And if you will scroll down a little bit more, so you can find here these AI tools, right? So it's a very helpful site, right? If you are looking for the AI tools. So yeah, I think that Futurepedia is the best one, right? So that's all for this short video, and I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye. And guys, one more thing, if you haven't subscribed my channel, so kindly please subscribe it so that you can get the more latest updates from this channel, and also you can get more videos like this. Thank you for now, and I'll hope to see you soon in the next video. Thank you.